The Aravalli Range is not just a line of hills on a map, it is the geological backbone of northern India and the only natural barrier protecting Delhi and the National Capital Region from the encroaching sands of the Thar Desert. Today, that barrier received a critical shield of its own. Late last night, the Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change (MoEFCC) issued a decisive notification. Effective immediately, there is a complete ban on granting new mining leases across the entire Aravalli region. This order spans 4 states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Delhi. The directive explicitly states that no new permissions will be granted until a comprehensive sustainable mining management plan is finalized by the Indian Council of Forestry and Education (ICFRE). To understand why this is happening now, we have to look back at the timeline of destruction. The battle to save the Aravallis has been fought in the Supreme Court for over 2 decades. In 2002 and again in 2009, the Apex Court imposed bans on mining in Haryana, citing massive environmental degradation. Yet, the mining mafia, a nexus of politically connected contractors, often found loopholes. They exploited definitions of what constitutes a forest or a hill to continue blasting operations, turning lush green peaks into barren, dust-filled craters. The immediate trigger for this new ban was a Supreme Court order dated November 20, 2025. In that order, the court accepted a definition of hills as landforms strictly higher than 100 meters. Environmentalists and the opposition, led by Congress leader Jairam Ramesh, sounded the alarm. They argued that 90% of the Aravalli hills are actually lower than 100 meters. By this definition, those lower hills could legally be flattened for stone and sand. The government faced immense pressure that this technicality would unleash a fresh wave of legal destruction. Union Environment Minister Bhupender Yadav has stepped in to clarify the government's stance. He asserts that this new notification is a corrective measure to ensure that the November court order isn't misused. He stated, "We are committed to preserving the ridge. The ban on new leases is a pause button until we have a scientific plan in place." On the other side, critics remain skeptical. They argue that sustainable mining in a fragile ecosystem is an oxymoron. They fear that once the ICFRE report is submitted, it might just provide a regulated rulebook for restarting the very mining they want stopped. Impact on the ground. The impact of this decision will be felt immediately in 2 sectors. First, the construction industry. The Aravallis are the primary source of granite, sandstone and gravel for the booming real estate markets of Gurgaon, Noida and Delhi. A halt in new leases could skyrocket the prices of raw materials, delaying housing projects. Second, the environment. For the residents of Delhi battling toxic air, this is a lifeline. The Aravallis act as a wind tunnel for fresh air and a recharge zone for groundwater. Any further destruction there directly translates to less water and more smog for the capital.